In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Roblox app. If you are experiencing any challenge, maybe you can't play games or you can't interact with any experience with Roblox, maybe the app keeps on crashing or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, there are 4 ways you can troubleshoot your app, and one of these methods should be able to help you. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot it. To do this, go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your Roblox game app. And as you can see, mine is here. You can also find your game using the search option on top here. If you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page, and this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and find your app, then long press on it. And now you should be able to see app info. Go ahead and tap on it and it will take you to the same app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app, and you can see it's quite a lot. Of importance is this cache data, and when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and clear the cache data by tapping on clear data here, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and okay. Now you can see the cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then open it, and everything should be okay. However, should this not work, then go to app info page again, and this time round, go ahead and tap on clear all data and click on OK to clear all the data. However, should this not work, then head to the third method, and that is to look for any update of this app in Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for this Roblox app on Play Store. Look for any option called update and go ahead and update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to fix any security issues or any bugs that might be associated with your Roblox app. Once you see the button now return play, it means you have an up-to-date app. Go ahead and open it to see if the app works well. Now, in most cases, this should now fix any problem that you have. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then go ahead and uninstall this app and install it afresh. There might be bugs that are still attached to this app, and to completely eradicate them, you need to go ahead and uninstall your app. By following these methods, your app now should be up and running without any issue. So that's how you can troubleshoot or fix any issue related to Roblox app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.